Welcome to Free Learning. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve the hashname error. So, the hashname error occurs when you are using a function and you are not providing or you are providing an incorrect input to the function. For example, you can see here that I am using the square root function and I'm giving it as input -50. And we all know that we can't calculate the square root of a negative number, so that's why we get the hashname error. Here also we have another case where here we are giving the power function two values, 99 and 888. So Excel gives us the hashname error because it can't calculate this value because it is very big. So here the power is 888, so this is very big number, so Excel can't return the result. So that's why we have the hashname error here. And here we have another case. Here we are calculating the difference in days between the order delivery and the order receive date. And you can see here in this example that the order delivery date is before the order receive date. And that's not logical. So the order receive date should be before the order delivery date. So in this case, we have also the hashname error because it's not logical. We can't deliver an order before receiving it. Also here we have the same problem. So here we don't have the problem because the order receive date is before the order delivery date. So to make sure that you don't encounter this hashname error, you have to make sure that you are providing the correct inputs to the functions that you are using in Excel. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.